Today we are going to talk all about luggage. I get so many questions about luggage, what luggage can I recommend, all of the things, and so I thought I would do a little bit different kind of video today and get us started on evaluating some luggage. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and it is June of 2026. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please be sure to click on that subscribe button. And if you appreciate all the useful information I share, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now, we're going to talk luggage today. I get a lot of questions about luggage. What luggage do I recommend? All of the kind of things. And so I get a lot of offers actually to partner with different companies and offer their luggage. And I have not found one yet that I feel like it is worth the price of how much it costs compared to the durability. So I've decided to take a slightly different approach. Now, I have bought like your Samsonite, and it lasted really well. I have tried your higher end luggage, not the high end, but like your Samsonite, clear down to, I got some on Black Friday, Black Friday of 2024, and some of it we are still using, some of it we're not. And so what I did today is I ordered some luggage here, and I know it's kind of a funny angle, but I wanted you to be able to see the whole box here. So I ordered some luggage from Amazon, and it is right in the middle of how much luggage costs. You get this 3-piece set, I think it was around $150. And so to me, that is a good place to be when it comes to your luggage, because it is not overly expensive. So if something happens to it, I don't feel like I'm out a lot. By the way, if you go to the airline counter, if your luggage gets ruined, they want to know how long you've had it, and they would love to see the receipt from when you bought it. I've been through this. And so it's a really hard thing to really be able to completely be reimbursed for what your luggage is really worth. And so we're going to review this one. I'm going to show it to you today. I'm going to pack it up and take it with us on our cruise to Alaska. And I'm going to talk to you about it a little bit while we do it. And I'm going to show you how it wears, how it shows up at the airport, how it shows up once we get it to our cabin on the cruise ship. And then rolling forward, I'll kind of keep you up to date with how well it lasts. Okay. So first off, one of the things that I think is so useful when you're choosing your luggage, pick a color that you can easily find on the baggage claim belt when you're at the airport. That really helps. If you've paid attention, there's a lot of black luggage, and you know me, black is my favorite color for accessories and clothing, and so I have had black luggage for a long time. And then we were in the United Kingdom, and I bought too many souvenirs for me and the family and I, and so I needed to buy a piece of luggage. Stopped by, bought a pink one. Loved that suitcase. I still use it, but it's really nice because I always know it's mine. And so this time I ordered a color, and you can pick whatever you want. They come in lots of different colors. And so I just opened the box, but I haven't done anything else here. And so this is lavender. And I know a lot of gentlemen aren't gonna like that. There are 3 suitcases here. I should have had Gordon help me. I'll be right back. So we've got our luggage out here. And let's start here. Let me show you this first. So it clearly comes in a plastic bag, but since I had to dump it out to get it out, it's got wheels on it. And the wheels often are the first things to go on a suitcase. Either that or with plastic luggage, it's going to be that this gets cracked. But one thing I do like, and I've noticed it just even in the last year, if you buy new luggage, that plastic is a lot more flexible, which I think is wonderful, because it can be banged around as they load and unload the airplane a lot more and not break so easily. And so it's got wheels there, which to me are crucial. And then here we go. So first of all, we've got here at the top, there is, I don't know that you can see it, but there is one of those little combinations if you want to lock your luggage. They are TSA approved, so if the TSA wants to open your luggage, once you have checked it, they can do that. But it's got a handy handle here so that you can roll your luggage anywhere you want to go. You can hook your backpack on here if you want to as you go. It's really handy. There is also a handle here on the side, so you can easily move it around a lot. So let me open it up and show you the inside as well as the other suitcases that come inside. So let's see. Oh, and you can expand it clearly. I just did the expand one. So let's start. I think it's at the bottom as well. But I wanted to do the real unboxing so that you could see what it actually looks like. So let me pick it up here so that you can see. So inside, like I said, we have 2 more suitcases. And the other really nice thing I like about this is that you can really kind of choose. You can just buy one set of luggage and be set for a lot of different kinds of trips, because not everywhere that I go do I need quite a large suitcase. And Gordon will link these so that you can see what I've got. Alrighty, so I have the luggage all apart now, so you can see that the sizes of the luggage are quite different. This is your standard size for a carry-on in the United States. I'm going to do another video talking to you about weights and sizes if you're traveling outside of the United States, because that's a big deal. So this is the carry-on size though in the United States, and then you've got your more mid-size. Like this would be big enough, I would say, if I were going on a Caribbean cruise, because you take lightweight clothing there, nothing too heavy. And then to go on the Alaska cruise, you can see that this one is bigger. And so this is what I'm going to take. I'm also going to take it as long as it lasts when we go to Europe a couple of times this year. And hopefully it'll make the trip. I think it will. It seems really nicely made. And so it's got your zippered section here, handy dandy zipper pouch right here with the netting. Then we've got another zipper pouch down here to tuck things. And then this side has the little buckle thing that you can attach to kind of hold your items in place. So I think we're off to a great start with this luggage. I'm really pleased with it. It does feel like it's that kind of plastic that I mentioned that's light, more flexible. So I think we're going to be able to put this on an airplane and have it banged around, load it up on the trucks. They take the luggage too from the port there in Seattle out to the ship, moved around in the ship, and still arrive at our cabin okay. So I'll let you know how it goes. And I want you to think about something too. The cost of the luggage does not always correlate with how long it's going to last. I have had, like I said, the more expensive luggage down to less expensive luggage. Our Black Friday luggage that we got, like I said, for Black Friday in 2024 is like some of the best lasting luggage that we have ever had, and we have gone a lot with it. So let me know what questions you've got on this. And every time I go to the baggage claim now, I'm gonna always know which one is my suitcase. So down below, let me know if you have favorite luggage that you have reordered again and again, if there is a certain brand that you always like to buy. I will add that this is going to be perfect. I will use this on this trip as well so that I can let you know how it wears, but I also really like to put my, I hook my backpack here so that then as I go through the airport, everything is really convenient there. And my backpack doesn't need to fit in this carry-on. It actually goes, I just carry my backpack separate and my laptop is separate in that backpack. So it'll work really well. And I'm really excited to show you how this goes. So thanks for joining me today. I know it's a little bit different video, but it gives you an idea of the luggage that I've got. All of the measurements will be listed, and you can follow the link and see what it looks like on Amazon yourself. So thank you very much for joining me today. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really, really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.